conclusion of game week 2, boys. साले सब जीत गए बे.
नहीं सब नहीं जीते
सॉरी,
लक्ष्मण,
सब नहीं जीते।
सब नहीं जीते लक्ष्मण।
अरे मैं बोलने वाला था, खत्म तो करने दे भाई. सब जीत गए.
Yeah, we are
बस
all
सिवाय
united.
सिवाय एक
United
के.
is not
The
united.
team with the proper system
Yeah,
and the
man.
best manager in the league.
Because
Structure.
because
Exactly, yeah.
The
because
proper
we beg to
structure.
differ.
And the player
Sometimes we beg
with
to differ.
No, you just beg. You don't differ.
It's called a rebuild. Okay, rebuild.
yeah,
After
rebuild.
two
कितने
seasons,
साल हो गए?
keep on
After-
rebuilding, man.
See,
After
I'm telling you
structure is
this. You know, the
sorted.
last season's keyword was structure. This year's keyword is going to be rebuild, and we're going to
Yes,
hear
yes, yes,
about
definitely.
this for half a season until Ten Hag like again collapses, and then we'll be like, dude, you know, maybe Ten Hag is going to go away, but no, maybe Ineos has put all their trust on him or something like that.
Yeah.
Maybe
Like-
they have searched for the managers and they feel Ten Hag is
Yeah.
still the
But they
best
feel the
one.
Ten Hag is still the best. Yeah.
Yeah. And what was Klopp doing where in his last season at Liverpool, he was still rebuilding, right? Because
Yeah. That's
you
how
were-
it goes when you have
were
new players. Man,
virtually
yeah.
trophyless. You won one cup, but yeah.
If that's how you're going to talk
You were
about
supposed to win the
United
treble,
is
right?
virtually trophyless. I don't know for how many years.
Virtually trophyless. FA Cup trophyless.
Then
Beating City trophyless.
खाली
ओहो
प्रीमियर लीग को गिन रहे हैं हम लोग.
नहीं कारबाओ नहीं गिना था, फिर मत ही गिनो ना.
प्रीमियर लीग भी नहीं गिनते दोस्त.
कोई नहीं.
क्या जाता है?
प्रीमियर लीग भी नहीं गिनते, कुछ ही नहीं गिनते.
तुम बस स्लॉट बॉल एंजॉय करो, ठीक है?
वो तो है.
Yeah.
At least we have a manager who can start properly, man.
Okay. So
भाई,
since
उनका
you've had
rebuild-
2 wins, since you
भाई,
have you've
राजेश-
had 2 wins, yeah.
राजेश, अबे का रीबिल्ड ऑलरेडी क्लब करके गया है ना, तो अभी स्लॉट आगे बढ़ा. This is
हाँ,
not a
आगे
rebuild
बढ़ा रहा
season. Not a rebuild
Like
season for अबे.
we don't rebuild for
say it
like 4
again.
years, man.
वो भी
हाँ.
कॉप एंड को वाइब्स देगा और फिर चला जाएगा.
देखते हैं.
But yeah, you have not considered a goal. You've had 2 wins, pretty convincing ones. And to me, as a neutral, watching a game, and I see quite a big change from Klopp, because Klopp was a touchline maniac, in my opinion. He was always active. He was always on his toes, moving, celebrating. Slot appears as an exact opposite. When a goal is scored, he's just fist pumps with the staff, and he's pretty calm on the touchline. How have Liverpool fans received such a sea change in terms of attitude of a manager? Because that's what I'm seeing when I'm watching the manager. I don't know what's going on behind the scenes. That is one thing, and another thing is that after a win in the I saw his post match after your first game, which against Ipswich in the first half, you didn't play particularly well. Obviously, it was the first game. Second half, he totally nailed it. And in the post match, his first thought was, "You've had a win, your first win as a Liverpool manager, man." And his focus was that first half we were not so good. I mean, his focus was कि first half हमने वो चीज नहीं की जो हमने train किया था. Somewhere that calm demeanor, we are getting to know something new about the manager. He's like, it feels like he's a man on a mission. He wants to take that legacy forward and do great things, and he's not going to settle for less. That's what he comes off as, to me at least. Just explain about how these 2 game weeks have gone. Do you see any change in the tactics, football? Does he excite you as much as Klopp did? What do you think years ahead? How many years is he going to spend, or is he going to get sacked this season, etc., etc.?
And so
Shed
many
some
things
light
you've
now.
asked. You've just asked so many things. I don't know where to start. But okay, let's just start at the point that just watching these 2 games, we know that we have gotten a good manager. Like he knows what he's doing. He
Data
knows
काम आया.
he knows how he wants to do it. Michael Edwards, man, he always does it. But yeah, he knows what he's doing, and he knows how to get there. At least this much we got from the way that he's played and the way that he is like at least communicated his thoughts to us till now. If you have to say that the gameplay of the team embodies a manager. You could say that about Klopp as well, because Klopp on touchline was completely energetic and maybe intense and everything. And his team used to play exactly like that. Like on the ground, you would see all the intensity and like the directness and the energy in the team. And I can say that about Slot as well. Like the calm demeanor that he has, you can see that in the team because we are playing a completely different football that we used to play before. There's a lot of controlling possession. There's a lot of playing from the back. He particularly likes playing from the back, and he wants his players to have a really good passing attribute in a sense. Uh, and there is a lot of interplay. Like we have seen some beautiful team movements as well. Uh, it's different. I mean, it feels like that we're probably going to need a lot of technical players we cannot do with Henderson in midfield now. I mean, we don't have him, but if we had him, he'd probably be out by now. But it's a completely different way of seeing the team, and I don't mind it, quite honestly. It's uh, like it doesn't keep you at the edge of your seat. But with Klopp, what has happened is that like we have been so used to of being at edge of the seat, probably it's fine to relax a little bit in that particular sense.
Nice,
So
nice.
I'm okay with that as well. Overall, I feel like that we are going to build on this. We're going to be we have a really good team, and Slot has a really good advantage, and we have a really good team, and he's going to the last year's rebuild of this particular midfield. Uh, I don't know if this was planned or not, but our midfield is obviously completely different than what we had before. I would have loved Thiago in this midfield right now, like the technicality that he has. If he actually could remain injuryless, that would have been really great. But we have McAllister, and obviously that's good. So our midfield is a lot more technical now, and the way Slot plays, that is very essential. So it's fun, man. It's obviously for me, Klopp was the guy, and I'm not just going to forget the way that we have the way that we have won things and the way that we have played in his tenure. But I don't really mind Slot at this moment. Yeah,
Yeah,
Nice.
after 2 games, that is okay.
yeah.
All right.
I see is that yes, you control the possession, yes, you
Mm.
have the ball, but the charm, the magic that I see is basically when you do quick passes from the back and it's a direct play to the goal. So basically, it's like I counter attack is taken very badly these days, but more
No,
like
no,
a
no.
counter
They
attacking
counter attack with
properly.
pace.
Counter
They
attack with
have,
pace and
yeah.
so like, do you feel that is the strength of slot ball? Because I don't see a lot of like when you're having a lot of possession, do you think any team that is like in the block defense you can that this team can break them, or it's just like just passing without any motive
You know, I had
when you have the
this,
ball?
I had like, I had this thing with Klopp that at some point I used to think that Klopp never completely figured out how to break the low block.
Hmm.
Like we used to I mean, counter was a lot more effective, but sometimes it felt like that we were clueless because our main
Hmm.
creative tendencies came from Trent, and Trent is passing from deep in the defense, or he has to come up and then he has to create those passes. And if he's not doing it, then our forward line has to do a lot more work, and our midfield was a lot more industrious in that particular sense. So I found that before our midfield got a little bit of a rebuild, especially when Thiago came in. That was a refreshment that we needed at that moment. But before that, I felt like that we were really bad at doing that. But the way that I've seen, uh, but we were, as a team, we were just so good that the amount of attacks that we would do, a low block team won't be able to sustain it for a long time, and then just with sheer intensity we used to break them. But that doesn't work sometimes, and sometimes the opponents are just too determined and they won't let you go. So you need some integrated passing. And with Slot, actually, what at least what I saw in last match, I feel like that with we used to have a lot of movements with the players, but now there's a lot more integrated passing in the final third as well. A lot of people are moving at the same time. There is a lot more dynamicity, let's just say that. And at this point, I've just seen 2 matches, so you don't know how easily it's going to translate into a low block. But the way we are going into those spaces and trying to pass ball around the defense and etc., I feel like if we're going to build on that, that is going to be very difficult for any kind of defense to maybe defend.
And that's a fair point that you make, that Liverpool, ever since Coutinho left, never had a proper number 10 who's like the creator, like
Hmm.
the De Bruyne or the Bruno Fernandes.
Mm-hmm. Mm.
Your,
True.
I mean, even under Klopp, you never needed that kind of a player as
Mm.
such.
You're playing a different
Salah,
kind of game actually. Yeah.
different kind of game. So,
Mm.
yeah, that's a good point that you made there.
Well,
So.
Trent is not inverting, so that's a change.
Yeah, but
About Trent,
the
you touched
only
upon Trent. I guess there is a problem between Slot and Trent. He came off in the 72nd minute and they had a tiff. That was doing the rounds in
Uh,
the social media.
yeah, 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 no, no.
It can be blown out of proportion, but he doesn't seem to be particularly happy with Slot, or I don't know what is going on there.
Say, Klopp's biggest, I think, strength was his man management. Klopp's motto was never say anything about maybe players out in the open. That's the first thing. Second thing, if we win, generally Klopp, unless we have played so horrible, Klopp wouldn't really talk about the match in a negative manner. There will always be a positive vibe. Okay, something did not work, but in the end we did good, and this and that, and etc. etc.
Correct.
etc. Slot seems like a completely different manager altogether, and he's more focused towards okay, we have decided some things to do, and even if we have won the matches, maybe let's also focus on what did not work, because he is the that kind of guy who wants to explain basically what he has seen and then what he has changed and stuff like that, which I thought in Ipswich as well. He particularly focused on how we lost a lot of duels in first half, which is true. Like we were horrible with duels, and then he had to move Concha, and obviously Konate comes and it's a instant improvement because Konate wins like almost all of the duels. In the next second match, he won all the duels. So in that particular sense, he likes to focus on that and then maybe try to explain how tactically he has changed. So his approach a little bit direct, and I don't know. This team has had a habit of probably being dealt in a different way. Maybe it will take a little bit of adjusting.
Correct.
Trent's outburst is not very dissimilar to what has happened before as well when players don't want to come off. But
Yeah,
I'd say
Salah.
that yeah, Salah, Milner, Henderson, everybody has done this. I mean,
Everybody has done it. Yeah.
so somehow Van Dijk has never
Okay.
done it, but he never
No,
comes off.
I do have a question though.
Yeah.
The way you're talking about how you've started intricate passing and whatnot.
Mm.
My question is, don't you think Carvalho would have been a great fit in this team? Like a great fit as a number
yeah.
10, like in terms of his dribbling, passing, or just the 1-2s that he does.
He just doesn't. See, I think even Slot wasn't playing him in midfield. He was probably playing him a little bit on the wing.
Mhm.
Luis Diaz comes in. Luis Diaz instantly replaces Carvalho. He has pace over Carvalho. He has a dribbling over Carvalho. Carvalho is good, but
No,
Diaz is.
but when I look at Luis Diaz, I see him as a winger.
No,
Whereas
he's a
if-
winger, but Carvalho is playing at that position as far as I
Yeah,
remember.
I know, but the only player that I saw who could play in the pockets really well was him or Harvey Elliott. But Harvey Elliott, you used him as a winger, and
I mean, depends actually. Slot hasn't started using him very nicely, so I'm not really sure where
yeah,
he's going to be fitting in. But
Hmm.
in midfield also, we are in a sense at the position where Carvalho might be playing. So Bosla is the one who's going to play in that position.
yeah. Now
And
coming to Szoboszlai, now that you've spoken about him,
yeah.
there were these rounds going about that he's been running so much and whatnot, the distance he's covering, and how he's coming from the front to the back till the very end. That's all well and good, but then you realize he's going to be doing this every match.
Yeah.
I mean, at some point of time, you must have thought to yourself, this can't go on, right? Like,
This
can't go
cannot go on. The problem I think we see. The problem isn't that he can't run that much. His even last season, this was very clear that his stamina is like through the charts. This is probably even when he's done this much, he's not as tired as other people. His fitness record is decent. It's not really bad, but he
Yeah.
cannot rely on that, obviously. The problem that we have currently, which I'm a little bit scared of as well, is like we have left our squad a little bit thinner if we don't do any kind of signings. which still is a mystery to me why we are not moving. Either we are doing so good behind the scenes that
Chiesa.
nobody knows anything, which I would love, like completely prefer.
You did sign a goalkeeper, by the way.
We did sign a goalkeeper,
Next
which is
year
weird
आएगा.
because I don't want Alisson to go. What the hell? But
भाई उम्र तो हो रही ना दोस्त.
नहीं, हाँ, but like Alisson and this new guy, that new
But
guy is really good as well, actually.
let's be honest. I mean,
Hmm.
there are a couple of links here and there have been, and even today we are sat here and there's just 3 4 days remaining in the transfer
Hmm.
window, and you do not have a definitive signing yet to make.
Hmm.
There
Hmm.
are rumors of Chiesa, but Chiesa's news is actually floating around with United and Barcelona as well.
Hmm.
Why
Okay.
not Arsenal, man? We need him.
Yeah,
No, no,
I
they
mean,
don't want any kind of backup for Saka at all. They want
no,
him to to run him into the ground. They
Chiesa
have
is
tried
too
it
good
last
a
season.
player, too good a player to be coming on for 15 20 million. Every Premier League club would take him at this
His
time.
injury
His
records
inju
actually is a problem,
But
but
if you
apart
manage
from
his
that,
injury, there is a player there. So
it is.
yeah, he will obviously in the first season, wherever he comes, he will be coming off from the bench because they
True,
have to
true.
manage his injury. So
Mm-hmm.
he's a good player there, but I don't think him coming on solves Liverpool's any of the problems. You
Yeah,
need
yeah.
different positions to be filled, and
Uh,
there are no links for that. There
A
are
forward
many
is the last position I wanted
last
filled.
position, yeah. So I don't know what Liverpool are doing, and I have mentioned it before as well, multiple times. Even under Klopp, you didn't do justice. Your Michael Edwards, who you've been praising for bringing in slot, I don't buy into the idea that the entire hierarchy has done enough to actually support the manager properly. You know,
not enough structure, bro.
not enough structure. Yeah, no, you have the structure. That is my problem. United have structure for the first time ever since Sir Alex left, and we back the manager who actually hasn't performed to the standards. My problem, you see my problem, right? And you have a manager slot based on
Mm-hmm.
whatever data. He's,
Mm-hmm.
he's been the best coach that you could have got. And how could you have not backed him properly? I guess that's a
There's a
discussion for another time.
yeah.
Actually,
Later,
4 days.
One
possibly.
last
I'm
question I would
hopeful
like
for
to
these
pose.
4 days. We'll see
Yeah.
how it goes. But
Yeah.
I am actually hopeful.
But
That wouldn't make any sense, actually.
I as a football fan, am baffled because I was again being a football purist. I was unhappy for Klopp that he wasn't
Hmm.
backed enough to challenge
Enough.
City. So that was my problem, and the
That is
problem
fair.
still remains. Slot का
Hmm.
भी वही फेट है. मेरे को लग रहा है तुम्हारा जो FSG and what not वो सब है तुम्हारे ओनर्स ही ले डूबेंगे. But yeah, that's the that's how we close on Liverpool. Before we move on to the Spurs game, they've had quite a big win against whoever is that opponent. Brentford, you won against Brentford.
Everton.
Everton, dude.
ब्रेंटफोर्ड के अगेंस्ट 4 मारेंगे ये
एवर्टन,
लोग.
हाँ वही वही वही.
वही कहीं 6
नहीं
ना
मतलब
मार दे वही
ब्रेंटफोर्ड के
पता
अगेंस्ट
नहीं है.
देख सही में बताऊं टू बी वेरी ऑनेस्ट द वे यू सेड इट ब्रेंटफोर्ड के अगेंस्ट 4 मारेंगे. बात ये है कि एवर्टन भी वैसी टीम ने जो 4 गोल 3 गोल खाए, बट द वे दे हैव स्टार्टेड दिस सीजन, मेरे को मेरे को आफ्टर द फर्स्ट गेम विद एवर्टन व्हाट आई लिटरली फेल्ट इज दैट ये शॉन डाइच बीच में सैक होने वाला है. बिकॉज आई एम टेलिंग यू भाई, मैं जितना शॉन डाइच और प्रीमियर लीग को देखा हूँ, घंटा मरा लो वो ऐसे 3 गोल 4 गोल नहीं खा सकता भाई.
नहीं खा सकता.
उसका
डिफेंसिवली
स्ट्रक्चर
सॉलिड
रहता
रहता
है.
है.
और मुझे लगता है कि उसको बैक नहीं किया. एवर्टन आर इन डीप शिट themselves. Everton are in deep shit themselves, and
Deep shit.
when they're in deep shit, the manager also starts to be like, हाँ ठीक है जब तक चल रहा है चलने दो, सैक हो जाएंगे. मेरे को ऐसा लगता है फ्रॉम अ साइकोलॉजिकल स्टैंड पॉइंट. आई डोंट नो व्हाट्स गोइंग ऑन एट दैट क्लब, बट या लेट्स टॉक अबाउट
भाई
स्पर्स.
एवर्टन इज फ्लाइंग टू क्लोज टू द सन फॉर लास्ट मेनी इयर्स कि भाई ये लोग कभी रेलीगेट होना चाहते हैं ऐसा लग
Without
रहा है
Solanke, how yeah, that in itself I guess was a big setback, if I
Statement
must
win.
say, because
Mm.
I'm not sure if that was a serious injury or a precautionary drop that Ange decided to do, because Solanke did not start the game,
Mhm.
and you hit Everton out of the park with 3 goals. So what was so
4.
interesting about 4. What was so interesting about the game? What did you observe? Did did the horrors of you conceding goals against set pieces, because Everton are a physical team. They actually look towards set pieces to score goals.
Correct.
But you handled that pretty well, obviously in hindsight, and you got a clean sheet. So what did you see out of that game?
See, yes, मतलब that is what last year threatened us with Everton. Everton was very good with set pieces. तो वो last year भी I think 2-2 का draw कराए थे with last minute set piece goal and all those things. So
Correct.
they are that kind of team. They will defend by the teeth, and then when they will hit at the counter attack, right? That is their strategy. But and that is where I am also scared with such teams which do that, because we are very vulnerable in the counter attacks. So Everton के साथ it was a tricky, and Solanke was not there. वो सब तो था ही. But anyways,
और
this was a
सोलंकी भी क्या
statement
उखाड़
win.
रहा था. Yeah.
सोलंके उखाड़ लेता भाई. He was in a
पहले
good
मैच में
position.
कितना गोल मारा?
वही भाई, अब तुम गोल से देखोगे मैच कैसा रहा तो फिर गड़बड़ है ना. बट ठीक है, चलो.
मैं तो
एनीवेज
वैसे okay,
एनीवेज
go
हाँ,
ahead, go ahead.
पहले मैच में जज
भाई
करने का
बात
नहीं.
तो
हाँ
सही है, स्ट्राइकर गोल थोड़ा मारेगा.
हाँ, डार्विन नूनेस जैसा.
Coming from a Liverpool fan who had Firmino for the
हाँ,
longest time.
न्यूनेस
Just
नूनियस
people just can't stop themselves.
भाई, नूनियस के गोल पे जज करे
This
ना
is
तो वो
this
बहुत
is
पहले
such a
चेक कर देना है, उसको
every
निकाल
time
देना चाहिए.
I talk about striker, I take such a big risk, you know.
Yeah.
Why? बट ये सोलंकी मारेगा, मतलब ही गेट्स इनटू गुड पोजीशंस. पहले मैच में दिखा, दैट्स व्हाई आई वांटेड एक सेकंड मैच में वो रहे, बिकॉज़ ही इज गुड इन द एयर और वो सब चीजें हैं. वेयर कॉर्नर, अब देखो, व्हेन यू सेड कि वी वर लाइक गुड विद सेट पीसेस एंड सेव्ड, भाई नहीं, ठीक है
नहीं
भाई,
ओ
ऐसा धक धक होता है जब भी. भाई तेरे मतलब डी में जस्ट गोलकीपर के पास 4 पास हो रहे हैं दोनों के प्लेयर के बीच में, फटेगी नहीं किसी की.
फटे.
तो 0 है गोल, ठीक है, मैं देखा, हाँ क्लीन शीट है, मजा आया, डिफेंड कर लिए, बट डिफेंड कर लिए भगवान भरोसे, ठीक है कि हाँ
No,
कुछ कुछ
were you
करो.
conceding headers or something or?
हाँ बिल्कुल.
हाँ,
भाई एक तो ऑफलाइन, मतलब ऑफ द लाइन भी क्लियरेंस था, तो
मतलब
है,
टॉप टीम
मतलब
फेस करोगे तो you will get fucked.
किस्मत थोड़ी सी ऊपर नीचे हुई तो वो क्लीन शीट बचेगी नहीं.
जब तक सेट पीसेस वाला भाई नहीं हैंडल करेगा तब तक बहुत मुश्किल है कुछ
Okay.
अच्छा कर
Okay,
पाना.
good
That is
insight, good
true.
insight.
That is
हाँ
true.
ये
वो
बैठे ना आर्सेनल
दिखता
वाले
है,
साला सेट पीस लेके.
दिखता है. अब वही, अभी हम लोग, अब देखो, अदर वे अराउंड इज गुड की वी फाइनली स्कोर्ड अ सेट पीस, दैट
हाँ.
इज गुड. बट अब
बस.
उसमें भी
Welcome to
फाइनली,
the gang, brother.
या भाई, अब आर्सेनल से सीखना पड़े ना, नेबर्स, नॉइजी नेबर्स, तो यू हैव टू लर्न फ्रॉम देम कि हाउ टू टेक सेट पीसेस. बट अब ठीक है, सेट पीस लिए,
Said
बट
no Spurs fan ever, but okay.
we had भाई देखो, सीखो सबसे. बट वी took रिकॉर्ड नंबर ऑफ सेट पीसेस अभी तक शायद जो भी सीजन में मिले हैं, एंड देन वी स्कोर्ड वन, ठीक है, जिसमें हम लोग वी केप्ट ऑन स्पैमिंग की शॉर्ट क्रॉसेस, ठीक है, शॉर्ट पासेस स्पैम किए लास्ट में एक क्रॉस डाला, हेडर गोल हो गया, पता नहीं क्यों स्पैम कर रहे थे, ठीक है. somehow they were just doing short passes, क्यों करना नहीं पता, बट ठीक है, फाइनली दे स्कोर्ड. बट ओवरऑल यस, ईव बिजुमा का रिडेम्पशन था अपना, तो ही वाज लाइक ही वांटेड टू शो कि नहीं, आई हैव वर्कड हार्ड एंड आई वांट टू बी बैक इन द टीम. तो फाइनली ही गॉट हिज चांस एंड स्कोर्ड अ गोल. नाउ ठीक है, बिकॉज वो डीप बैठे थे. नाउ यू सी 2 गोल्स, जो फर्स्ट 2 गोल्स आए, दैट वर दोज ओनली, कि वन ईव बिजुमा का बैंगर, द सेकंड वन वाज अ मिस्टेक बाय पिकफोर्ड, ठीक है. अब उसके बाद इट बिकम्स इजी, ठीक है, 2 गोल मार दिए, नाउ इट बिकम्स इजी क्योंकि एवर्टन हैज टू डू समथिंग, राइट. तो आई वुड से कि ठीक है, 4-0 का गोल था, वी कंट्रोल्ड गुड इनफ मैच में, ऐसा नहीं था कि वी लेट इट आउट ऑफ हैंड, कंट्रोल किया, बट कंट्रोल कर पाए उसका मेजर रीजन है बिकॉज वी got good chances to score in the start and we finally did it. And hence अगर 2-0 का लीड होगा तो कंट्रोल करना is easy for any team,
Yeah.
right? तो that is what. अब उस पे भाई एंज ने तो बोल भी दिया कि वो हमने सॉन को रखा ही इसलिए था कि पिकफोर्ड बैक, मतलब they like to play from the back and Pickford is slow, so they wanted, the Son is the best presser, so we put him and he did, मतलब he did good, मतलब वो स्ट्रेटेजी काम करी, पर वो चिल्ला के सबको स्कीम नहीं बताने का ना.
No, but is the strategy and the style of play or whatever that you have same from last season?
मतलब सी, लास्ट सीजन भी आई एम इन द साइड कि अगर हमारा बैक फोर पूरा खेलता पूरा सीजन, वी वुड हैव फिनिश्ड मच हायर. वी आर स्ट्रॉन्गर व्हेन आवर कंप्लीट बैकलाइन प्लेज. If Bizuma is playing good now as he did in the start of the season, जब हमारी ये बैक के जो 4-5-6 लोग हैं, दे आर प्लेइंग सॉलिड और प्लेइंग एटलीस्ट, नॉट अगर खेल रहे होते हैं, तो वी आर गुड डिफेंसिवली, तो उतना इश्यूज नहीं है टीम में। बट वही है, जब बैकअप लोग आएंगे देन यू विल स्टार्ट सीइंग अगेन द सेम होल सेम गैप्स, क्योंकि आई डोंट नो कि क्या उधर वर्क हुआ है। एंड आई डोंट सी एनी बिग नेम्स देयर आल्सो। ड्रैगुजिन, यस, ही कैन रिप्लेस वन ऑफ द सेंटर बैक, बट अदर देन दैट बड़ा नाम तो नहीं है। आर्ची ग्रे वगैरह है जो राइट बैक खेल लेंगे, बट एनीवे दिस इज ठीक है। मतलब आई एम पॉजिटिव अबाउट द सीजन बिकॉज व्हाट आई हैव सीन इज कि एटलीस्ट टीम इज प्लेइंग फॉर, मतलब एटलीस्ट क्लीन शीट के लिए इस बार डर नहीं लगा, कि कॉर्नर्स में थोड़ा लगा, बट इन जनरल इट वाज नॉट लाइक कि हाँ काउंटर पे कभी भी खा सकते हैं, या इफ द टीम is running at you, we were holding the shape very well. So that was not an issue.
So any
this match.
incomings or reinforcements
Nahin.
you are
And
expecting in the
the
transfer?
other guy, that Odegaard guy, is very good, man. That winger. Finally, we got a winger who can at least go one on one with a defender.
Who's the guy? What's the name
This
again?
Odegaard.
Oh,
something like that.
okay.
His name, William Odegaard. So
Okay.
19 years old guy, but he had like most number of क्या बोलते हैं,
Take-ons.
dribbles,
Take-ons.
take-ons in that match, and he was successful also in at least half of them. So it was a
People
he
are
has a
so
good
happy.
debut.
I'm
we
just
did not have anybody who can do that. ना Son नहीं लेता, Johnson नहीं करता, Kulusevski नहीं करता. Nobody takes on any defender. Just keep on passing in the final third, ऐसा back इधर आजू बाजू.
So you got your own Doku,
Yeah,
I have one
Sasta
question.
Doku.
सस्ता Doku.
the Doku at home.
Yeah, जैसे ये लोग हालैंड का सॉफ्ट कॉपी लाए थे ना, अपन डोकू का लेके आए.
I have a question. My
आर्सेनल के
question
पास भी
is
साला का सॉफ्ट कॉपी है, बट ओके. हाँ, क्या बोल रहा था?
fast. Anyways, my question is very simple. That this is second season of Ange, right? And now, last time you started off flying because किसी को पता ही नहीं कि Ange क्या करता है.
इस बार भी
Now
he will
it's the
start off
feel.
flying only.
No, they have got 4 points.
Then they'll fly out of the
They got
pitch
4 points,
with
right?
injuries. हाँ हाँ, yes.
Last time तो you were flying from the start कि Ange ball ये वो, but do you think
नहीं, लास्ट टाइम भी पहले 2 मैच में 4 ही पॉइंट थे.
4 points है? अच्छा.
हाँ, पहला ड्रॉ किया था ब्रैंडफोर्ड से.
हाँ.
याद है?
Okay, right.
हाँ.
But do you think the teams will know you much better this time, and they will be much better prepared in terms of their defensive structure as well
But
as
Spurs and Ange will be much more plus.
भाई,
Prepared,
we are
right?
any other gaps that we have, I think we are good this year. जो हम लोग कर रहे थे, only thing I'm still concerned is set pieces, क्योंकि कोच अभी तक नहीं है, एंड बिना सेट पीस कोच
Ange है
के
ना, Ange head
Ange है.
coach है ना भाई.
हाँ, बस वो हेड
हाँ,
कोच हेड
सिखाए.
मारना सिखाने ना, बट हेड कोच हेड मारना नहीं सिखा रहा. तो वही है, ये लोग थोड़ा सा अभी वही बस
हमें
उतना
बस
ही डेंजर है.
हमें बस
And-
एक ही चीज करना आता है.
एंड भाई वो बेसिकली देख रहे हो तुम, नॉर्थ लंदन की 2 क्लब्स हैं, देयर कंप्लीटली अपोजिट, कि एक को खाली कॉर्नर मारना आता है और एक को बस कॉर्नर ही करना नहीं आता. वी आर लाइक पोलर अपोजिट इन दैट फ्रंट.
Alright.
बट अगर
Okay.
वो नहीं है तो यस, वी आर प्रिपेयर्ड. वी हैव मोर पीपल, वी हैव गुड, मतलब गुड बेंच. मतलब मुझे नहीं लगता कि वी हैव बैड बेंच दिस ईयर, वी हैव गुड बेंच.
Okay.
बस वही, अगर सेट पीसेस का इशू सॉल्व हो जाता है, वी आर वेरी गुड. बट अब सबको मालूम चल गया, सबको ये स्कीम मालूम है कि सेट पीस मारने का है, इनके सामने ये हक देंगे.
कॉर्नर लेके आओ बस.
कॉर्नर लाओ, वो लाओ, क्या बोलते हैं, फ्री किक लाओ, एनीथिंग इज फाइन. एंड देन
Oh,
पीछे
is it
से
free
भागो,
kick?
पीछे से भागो, बैक पोस्ट से. तो
Okay.
एकदम पूरा रेसिपी है डिजास्टर की अपने पास.
बढ़िया है. तो then where is Spurs ending in the table then?
सेम भाई, टॉप 4 तो मिनिमम रिक्वायरमेंट है भाई.
Top 4 that
Top
is
4 minimum
that-
Top 4 तो
that
complete हो गया भाई.
predicted.
Last time हम लोग आए थे, हम लोगों ने 4
सॉरी टू से आर्सेनल दैट ये टॉप 4 से हमने बाहर कर दिया आर्सेनल
We
को.
still don't have you in the top 4.
वो हमने, यू लेट राइट, फर्स्ट कम फर्स्ट सर्व में मिल रहा था. हमने ले लिया. फर्स्ट में सिटी को छोड़ दिया, बाकी 3 स्पॉट हम लोग ले चुके हैं. यू गाइस कैन ट्राई नेक्स्ट ईयर.
पोजीशन लेके खुद
बेचारे 2 साल से सेकंड पोजीशन लेके बैठे, कोई इज्जत नहीं है. टॉप 4 से
इज्जत
बाहर
नहीं
सीधे.
भाई.
तो इस बार फॉर अ चेंज टॉप 4 के बाहर फिनिश करो ना.
the level of wishful thinking and reality.
भाई क्योंकि
बार
इस बार मैं लिख के दे रहा हूँ आर्सेनल को इंजरीज होने वाली है एंड दे आर गोइंग टू सफर। कितने
तू
दिन
लिख
लकी
के
हो गए
अभी
भाई।
तक दिया नहीं है, ठीक
हाँ
है?
लिख के दे दूंगा ना मैं।
बहुत ऐसे कुछ लिख के देता है तू।
ये वाइट बोर्ड पे लिख के दूंगा, ठीक है, फिर जब नहीं होगी तो मिटा
साइड
दूंगा।
में व्हाइट बोर्ड भी है।
ये वही वाला व्हाइट बोर्ड है क्या?
हाँ तेरा ही है।
लगे तो मुझे।
उससे चुरा लिया है, देखो।
Right.
Nice.
अब के
Okay,
वाइट बोर्ड
now,
पे लिख के देता हूँ।
but what a wonderful start
यस।
before we talk about the Arsenal game, isn't
Yes,
it?
yes.
What a wonderful start. A
Yes,
team
so
that this BIT group of legends. Okay, by the way, BIT group of legends, let's market that particular group as well. We have a FPL league going on, and
yeah.
some people have joined in. The
Some
name of
people
the
are at the top
FPL,
of the league.
yeah, some people are top of the
कौन
league.
तू?
They can
अरे
only.
what?
So, uh, the BRT group of legends prediction was that Arsenal won't finish top four again. I mean, we are just not ready to learn from our mistakes. Okay, but we want our own teams to learn from our mistakes. Okay,
देख भाई देख,
so we
एक चीज होती है being true to football, okay, and then एक चीज एजेंडा भी तो होती है ना, नहीं चाहिए।
agenda. It's all agenda, man. So let's talk about Arsenal, the
Yeah.
set piece spammers, and some more.
The
Uh,
Tuka winners.
and Partey, the guy.
Yeah. The
So
guy he
do
loves.
you think he has enough motivation and he's going to remain fit? Because why I start off with
Forget.
Partey is that he's probably been very definitive. The qualities that you mentioned, the vertical passing, his passing range, etc., and Rice
No, no,
playing
no.
alongside him. You've
He's not the
missed
same
him.
anymore. He's not the
Oh.
same.
It is not the same.
Oh.
Look,
Okay.
Casemiro is also not the same, but there are certain qualities that he also offers.
No, no, no.
Partey also does offer that.
Oh, I'm so
Uh,
surprised actually. I'm so
No, no,
I am
no.
interested.
also not the
Here's the
same.
thing. After his recent injury, right, when he's come up,
Hmm.
it seems like he's lost a lot physically.
Okay.
Massively physically, he's had a downfall. His passing will still be there, right?
Hmm.
His passing will still be there. But when you lose out on that physically and you're just ahead of the defense, right?
Mm-hmm.
You're the last line protecting the defense.
Hmm.
Uh,
Who is the
it's-
last line protecting the defense?
Partey.
I'm
Partey.
talking about Partey.
Rice is the one protecting the
No,
defense,
no, no,
right?
no. The way we are playing, Rice plays as a roaming number 8.
So you are
Why?
playing wrong.
तो फोर्थ से बाहर है, पक्का है ले भाई, पक्का है गए।
No, but you're not
सीधा,
realizing. That's
सीधा.
why. Guess who's got the 6 points?
हाँ who?
Guess who's
City.
got the 6 points?
City.
Yeah, I mean,
City, Liverpool,
Brighton,
Arsenal, Brighton.
Brighton.
Yeah. Yeah. But
A
what I'm
lot of
saying
teams
is,
have gotten 6 point, man.
Yeah. What
hey
I'm
भाई,
से दो
trying
निशान
क्योंकि
है।
what I'm trying
तुमने
to say is,
पर्सनल वेंडेटा अपने पास रखा भाई।
हमें एक टीम
ये
से दो
चालू हो
निशान है।
जाता है यार।
Brighton.
इसको मौका मिलता
No. Let's come back to Arsenal. Okay.
No.
Yeah. You
But
got the
you
6
got to
points. Okay.
understand that
Mhm.
when Merino comes in, there's a
Uh-huh.
high chance that he plays in that role instead
Okay.
of Rice,
Hmm.
and Rice replaces Partey, right?
You
That's
guys
my-
are not playing with double pivot anymore?
No.
They're playing.
But we've never played with double pivot.
They
Right?
don't play double pivot.
No, but you said now that like Partey was injured for most of the time last year, and if
Yeah, so-
Partey comes back, then you kind of play double pivot with him and Rice, where Partey is the guy who's doing all the passing.
No,
while
Rice is a box to box. It's kind of a
अरे,
more under-
Rice.
But
was-
अबे
so
he is
when-
not same anymore.
अरे, let the
Okay,
man
explain
speak,
to
man.
me. Explain to me
We've-
how
we've
it.
had enough
so
of
how-
our
I
it
feel like
goes
that
is,
I've heard something wrong last season. So why when
No,
Partey
so-
was
go ahead, Abhay.
So what happens is we have a lone 6,
Mhm.
which usually is Partey if he's fit.
Okay.
When we do not have him,
Mm-hmm.
we tend to play Jorginho
Oh yeah,
Which is really
Jorginho. Yes, right.
Which is-
And he
which is
can't play
even worse.
alone.
because he has the passing, but
Hmm.
not the same passing ability as Partey,
Hmm.
right? And physically, he's worse off than Partey,
Hmm.
right?
Has no pace at all.
Yeah, no pace at all. But he's a smart guy. Like
Hmm.
he knows his limitations. Tactical foul करके एक yellow card हर मैच में ले लेता है.
बढ़िया.
नहीं हो रहा.
Hmm.
But I have high hopes of Merino because
Okay.
I'm pretty sure he's going to replace Partey,
Okay.
right? And the other thing is when I look at my team, right? When I look at my team, My problem is in attack, we are just a one-man team. It's Saka FC. That's it. He
साका
gets
इंजर
injured,
होगा.
our season is gone. खत्म. हर सीजन में ऐसा होता है कि एक प्लेयर हमारा एकदम इम्पोर्टेंट होता है और वही इंजर्ड होता है. तो I'm scared about
सालिबा
it.
सालिबा.
Yeah, Saliba is great, but the thing is, the backup to Saliba is decent.
नहीं यार
You
सालिबा
understand?
साथ हुआ था सेम साका के साथ इस सीजन.
No, मतलब the
भाई
first season.
सालिबा का बैकअप होल्डिंग था भाई. वो क्रिस्टल पैलेस में अभी तक गेम नहीं खेल रहा है.
तो इधर
ये
साका
अभी
का
तक
कौन है?
हाँ?
साका का
साका
कौन?
का यही तो दिक्कत है ना.
नहीं
साका
लाए
का
ना.
बैकअप कौन है?
चैलेंज तो चैलेंज करना टाइटल के लिए ही एक ट्रॉफी है.
वो अपने आप को ही चैलेंज करते रहते हैं. देख चैलेंज आते था.
Bro, at this point of time, they're challenging the fans as well. Please support us. Support us for what, brother? For what? भाई तुम कैसे प्लेयर नहीं खरीद सकते यार? कैसे नहीं खरीद सकते?
It's a no-brainer. It's a no. You should have brought in a proper. Nicolas Pepe
whenever I
को क्यों बेचे?
listen
भाई
about
उसी को
Arsenal's
ले
issues,
आते.
you know.
भाई पेपे
अभी-
को ले
तुमने
आते
एक और बंदा
भाई.
निकाल दिया ना.
भाई,
एक और
मैं
बंदा
मजाक
निकाल दिया.
नहीं
तुम्हारे
कर रहा.
फॉरवर्ड तो भी
एनकेटिया.
निकाल दिया.
मैं
एनकेटिया.
मजाक नहीं कर रहा. मैं
पेपे भी
लेता
चलता
था.
तेरे को. आई नो पेपे भी चलता था.
मैं खुशी से लेता भाई.
भाई
मेरे को दिक्कत क्या है ब्रो? The number of outgoings that we have had and the number of incomings that we have, the ratio is almost 2:1 or worse. Do you
The
understand?
अबे तो-
only owner worse than FSG, man.
भाई लेफ्ट
The
बैक में
only-
किसी को पूछ लो ना.
Only
खेल सकता
owner
है.
worse than FSG.
No, I would not say worse because वो pump किया भाई. हमारी जो हालत थी, we are better. But my
पैसे
problem
दिए
is
हैं
you're so
उनको.
close to the finish line.
ऐसा तो
अब
हमको ही
पैसा
मिलेगा
खत्म हो
भाई.
गया ना. अब पैसा खत्म हो गया.
अरे यार तुम लोग ना.
नहीं, ठीक है. Let him speak.
The Aston Villa match, I
Hmm.
thought that Onana would have been the one who would have been dominating on midfield because Partey had lost his legs. Like,
Hmm.
pura. Bro, this guy comes on called Morgan Rogers.
Hmm.
Forget Partey. Declan Rice was unable to take him on, man. Unable to take him
Morgan
on.
Rogers is a deal, man.
Bro, he's supposed to be City's academy guy. City की academy guy. पहले बेच दिए थे. He's supposed to be a striker, but
अच्छा.
the entire midfield he was running through it. Like he was carrying the ball like that.
Wow.
And I looked at it and I was like, भाई ये तो दिक्कत है कि इसको तो जानते भी नहीं है. And that's when it struck me that our midfield is not the same anymore. That's when I first felt the drop is massive.
Okay.
Right? And I can see Jogika smiling, but I looked at Morgan Rogers and I was like, this guy's gonna have a party against even Liverpool. He
Even
will
Liverpool.
have
Yes.
Might be. Our
Bro,
midfield is
to me-
decent
to
actually, but
me-
we don't have a six, so yeah, might be.
To me, at this point of time, he's probably the strongest runner with the ball in the PL. I looked at it and I was like, भाई इस पे पैसा फेंको, खरीदो.
But I wanted to talk about the touch upon the new signing, Mikel
Hmm.
Merino. Matlab, there was an article, but I did not pay heed to that. But I want to know that from you. Why is there a specific reason why Arteta chose to sign a 28-year-old midfielder who is only going to give you a good 4 years maybe? So, matlab, what's the idea? Is he that good?
Bro, okay. So, at the start of the season, right? The friendlies that we have, we played against Leverkusen, and I realized, in spite of whatever Xhaka is doing in the
Yeah.
Premier League, he would have been eaten alive because that guy cannot turn. He cannot turn. He needs space. Leverkusen में मिल रहा है. Just think of Merino as a Xhaka who is a little more agile. I'm not saying athletic. Agile, as in he can turn in the space. And the last thing I would just say is that he is agile. A midfielder who is from Spain. I like Spanish midfielders. Left-footed, 6'2". We are set piece FC.
Yeah.
Right.
Makes sense. Makes sense.
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay.
Makes sense. I hope
Yeah.
it turns out good for you guys with a heavy
Amazing.
heart.
Talking
But yeah.
talking about turning things good for some people. I don't think you can talk too much about it. But still, let's talk about.
The only positive about United today I can talk about is we signed Ugarte.
Well,
But
congratulations.
Is that a
Okay.
positive?
yeah, I mean, okay. Are we talking about the Brighton game?
Do
Okay,
you
if I have
want
to
to talk
touch
about the
upon that
Brighton game? Like we would
yeah,
want to talk about the Brighton game.
we,
We have been saving the best for the last,
yeah,
right?
Yeah.
we lost the game, and
And
obviously
But at least there's a structure. So
Hallelujah.
that's
the
good.
United fan base went to a meltdown because after the first game we were title challengers, and then after that we were relegation fodder. That's how the fan base oscillates between
Hmm.
two extremes. But
Right.
me as a United fan, I was hoping that the first loss would come maybe against Liverpool or maybe a little bit later, but
It can
it
still
came
come.
against Brighton.
It can
I
still
mean,
come. I like the
Liverpool,
positivity that you have
Not the
for
first
us.
win will not, first loss will not come now. Second
Yeah,
loss
yeah.
will come now.
It's okay. We'll take that.
yeah. So the thing is that we actually played well against Brighton.
Mm-hmm.
There are a couple of changes that the manager made. He took off Mount because what I will tell you more than the game, discussing about the game and result, you all know the result. What I want to
Mm-hmm.
touch upon is my thought process behind the game and why I'm not entirely uh,
Happy,
not even entirely, I'm
convinced,
not even
sad.
minutely sad. I know the result didn't go our way, a couple of very bad,
It's called
unlucky
habit actually. It's called habit.
goal
When you
was
lose so
called
much,
off.
you don't feel sad or
Yeah, man.
something.
Yeah. So
Okay.
goal was chalked off. The ball was
Mm-hmm.
already going in.
Mm-hmm.
Zirkzee was already sliding. His leg got touched and the goal got chalked off.
Mm-hmm.
But yeah, when
बुरा
things
हुआ,
are
बहुत बुरा हुआ.
not going your way, they don't go your way.
Mm-hmm.
And then we consider another late goal, which is the sixth goal under Ten Hag that we've considered, I guess, in the late 90s, deep into
Mm-hmm.
the game. I mean,
In the
last kick
injury
of the
time.
game we've conceded.
Mm.
So I kind of I'm beginning to feel that Ten Hag is doing everything right since the start of the season, but he's making certain changes because he's way too worried about people getting injured. He takes off Mount, he takes off Maguire, thinking that bhai
Bruno
ye
also,
injured ho
right?
jayenge. Huh?
Bruno basically took off, right?
Bruno also he took off. Mount also he took off. Whereas Mount was playing well. These players, you know, he's trying to manage Bruno's minutes somehow. I don't know why. He just wanted more bodies in the midfield, or was he trying to,
More bodies
nick
in
a
the
goal from
bench.
set pieces?
Mm-hmm.
But yeah, I mean, okay, I'm pretty much fine with our structure. Our pressing
Okay.
has been brilliant. Ball
Okay.
retention has gone up. It's just
Mm-hmm.
that he changed defense. You don't change your center backs unless someone is injured. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
And he changed Maguire and brought on Delete. And
Mm-hmm.
everyone is just looking at each other why the far post wasn't marked. It was one of the easiest schoolboy error, easiest goal scored, and one of the most schoolboy error that you'll see. There was no one guarding
Mm-hmm.
the far post. Entirely empty.
Far
Entirely.
post mark
Mm-hmm.
तुम
करना
गोल
होता है.
देखोगे, you won't believe your eyes. Entire far post empty.
Far
Yeah.
post mark
So
करना होता है.
Spurs,
What?
yeah, Spurs would know a little bit about that.
What? Far post
yeah,
कौन mark करता
I
भाई?
mean, seriously, it's down to a little bit of coaching and understanding structures, understanding players as well.
Mm-hmm.
But I hope things will get better. Other parts of
Mm.
the game are much better. Bringing on Ugarte, I want more control in midfield, a ball carrier like Menu complementing him. But Ugarte is not a carrier or a
कितना
controller. He's a
midfielder खिलाओगे
destroyer.
भाई?
He will definitely, your ball retention will go up. But what
Mm.
you do after the ball, are you carrying the ball up to the forwards? Are you making the right pass? I guess it is going to be all down to Menu and Bruno to do that. And maybe if Mount plays. So that's how I am seeing with the latest signing.
Mm-hmm. When
He's
is
going to
Hoyland
bring up
coming back?
No, Holland will take time. So will
Okay.
Lenny Euro, and
Mm.
Delete
But
may
you have done
also
good
take time.
business this summer.
Actually, yeah.
Yeah, like I said, there are zero excuses. Even though our entire first 11 is injured, I'm just saying worst possible scenario. There are no excuses again.
Yeah, you've
You
got a
still have to
decent
be at the level.
lineup
Yes,
now.
yes. We have cover. I mean, that's why I said, right? We
Yeah.
have a much better squad than maybe the likes of Liverpool and Spurs, because there are literally top class players who play for their national teams on the bench. Okay, there are
Mm.
good players coming off the bench. If Mount doesn't, if
Squad,
Mm.
yeah, squad.
squad overall
Yeah,
squad बोल रहा हूँ.
squad. Yeah,
अच्छा
yeah.
खासा bench strength है coming off from the bench as
Nice.
well. That's why I'm
Mm.
saying, I mean, there are no excuses at all. And we are playing well. We'll
Mm-hmm.
just be fine against Liverpool
So,
because
right.
you also have to consider that we played City in the Community Shield and they could
Mm-hmm.
not beat us over 90 minutes.
भाई
Mm-hmm.
बोलो सीरियसली नहीं लेते
हम
हाँ
भी
वो बोल
seriously
रहे
नहीं
थे भाई
लेके
आर्सेनल
1-1
के
किए
अगेंस्ट
ना.
टाइटल जीत लिए सब टून पड़े थे भाई
तुम्हारा
बोला वो
सीरियस ही है
बीच
भाई
बीच
वो
में बोला भाई
हाँ
तुम्हारा सीरियस ही है वो
तो
But
ठीक है.
but still, do you feel कि Slot has a flying start, right, in the first two matches, and
Doesn't
he is
bother us.
yes
So never get carried away with the
no,
first 2-3
हार
games.
जाएंगे और
इतना
क्या
लीग इतना
correct.
लीग इतना लीग
We
देख
don't
लिया.
bother about it, हार जाएंगे
Yeah,
और क्या
इतना लीग देख लिया. We don't know. Your question was Slot had a couple of wins. Are you worried about etc etc. But
नहीं I did not even
that's why
complete
I
the
reply.
question. My question was कि how confident are you?
I am confident, like I said, right? I
हाँ
told you, even against the after the defeat against Brighton, the elements of the game, like last season, we were open, right? The cutbacks were resulting in goals. No one stopping them. Onana making mistakes. So first of all, the scars of last season, the same players, they have to get over that. You
हाँ
know? Yeah.
हम्म
So
No, I
I
actually
am seeing.
understand, Like Ten Hag has had so many years in the team. Now he has a nice first 11. He has a lot of like strength from the bench as well.
Hmm.
And these guys also have structure. And our team is like, new manager, just 2 games and a new team. He's probably trying to adjust. I can see that his confidence, like why he has that confidence. So yeah, that's good.
So
That's good.
if you
Mm-hmm.
beat us this weekend, right? It will
Then
be
it
all
won't
fair
matter,
and
right?
yeah, it will be all fair and square. Fair play to
Yeah,
you guys. But
right, right.
you won't have it easy, right? You
Yeah,
know
yeah.
that very well.
Yeah, yeah.
but will that
When
would
has
that
United match ever been easy? Like it was easy once, but maybe not now.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah. Okay. So anyway, oh by the way, no, okay, let it be. I'm
but do you
actually
feel
excited. I'm
Rajesh
actually
के
excited about this United versus Liverpool match this early. Uh, because generally what happens, these high stakes match happen a little bit later, and then you have
Little
to
bit
wait for
later.
the kind
Yeah.
of
Yeah.
excitement. But I'm really excited
but
about the match,
yeah
and
just for
yeah.
the fun of it I want to मतलब, understand the picture in your mind see result आएगा वो आएगा but how do you feel like currently with the current squad with how your managers are playing how do you feel the match panning out I understand कि
The
हाँ
Liverpool
it,
game, right?
you will
Hmm.
not get it easy वाला ठीक समझ गया but how will those two teams like come with what strategy they will come with in this match
No, what I will tell you is that we'll be better prepared. The good thing is that we considered a couple of goals the way we did. I am telling you as a fan, and I'm 100% sure we will plug that hole. And if we plug that hole, because that's a defensive lapse, it is
but
easy
one
to
week is
fix
enough
actually.
क्या
Okay.
1 week is enough for
Okay.
that
No, it's not a problem that can't be fixed. Right? We are not. It's just a matter of positioning. And when two players train together and spend some time together, it'll be fine. And that's why I'm telling you the Liverpool game is going to be fine. I mean, my prediction is that we'll win. I mean, we'll keep the likes of Salah and their
Matlab,
wingers quite.
are you thinking that you will be like last season you would be more defensively solid and maybe looking for
No, no, no.
opportunities
No, no. We will not park the bus. Obviously, I mean we are playing at home, so even last season also we
not
didn't park the
exactly
bus.
park the bus but in general that you will keep your defensive shape at any cost like defensive shape ये नहीं होता कि 11 प्लेयर लगा दिए पीछे नहीं the 5-6 players are putting the सब अटैक नहीं कर रहे all out अटैक नहीं जा रहे and doing random stuff. Will you be like solid in defense and maybe are we seeing a football score or a basketball score?
No, you won't see a basketball score, of course, but you will see an entertaining match, I suppose, because
End-to-end match proper, we are assuming,
I'm
right?
actually curious now that you have
What
made
about
all
you?
the signings
actually,
and
like
considering
Joeger said,
the
right? These kind of matches. Look, our entire team dynamic has also changed a little bit. We are taking 4-4-2-2-2 because it worked towards the end of last season. We're kind of continuing on that.
okay.
And then Arne Slot is a new coach with new set of players. So there can be a few surprises who adapts well to the others. I guess you can be in for a little bit of a boring first half because both teams may go for a cautious approach. The most interesting is going to be the second half. That's just my
Hmm.
thought process here.
Abhay, over to you.
Yeah. That I mean, I for first 2 games, I can say this thing that first half hasn't been our strongest suit, at least till now. We come alive in second half, and we come alive like a sledgehammer in the second half, basically. We perform like 3x 4x better in second half. So that's have
Nice.
been what that's like. It's a really small set for two matches, but that's what's happened till now. I hope we do better in first half compared to the last those two matches. United match is never easy, man. But I have never been underconfident against United as well. Ten Hag as a coach is good, um, but I've never probably seen his way of play as a threat to the Liverpool team that we have.
But yeah, also you should take a look at Arne Slot and Erik Ten Hag's head to head when they were in the
Head to
Eredivisie.
head.
That is fine. That is fine, man. He was playing
Two
with Ajax.
class going
Like
against each other.
Ten Hag had this super Ajax team. I mean, like he
He
went to
constructed
semi-finals.
that Super Ajax team.
Well, he
भाई
had
Ajax का अच्छा हो रहा था.
dude,
अब महेश्वरी
they have a Champions League legacy, man. But I have one question to actually Rajesh. You have done all the strengthening and everything. You know your first 11, considering injuries and everything. You know my first 11. Do you think man on man you're still better from first 11? In first 11, just like in how many in what area maybe you're
I
better
think
No,
if you
no,
have
first
You
12,
are
like including the manager.
no, no.
including the
On
referee
on
as well.
on current form, considering current form and dynamics, your entire front three
Hmm.
is better than United's front three currently.
Okay, that's
Because
forward line.
because Højlund is injured and Jota is a bona fide goal scorer.
Okay.
Because Salah, Luis Diaz are already established.
Okay.
Jota, these three have spent time together. Now
Hmm.
Anthony is not playing. Ahmad
Hmm.
is playing. But
Hmm.
Ahmad has only played 2 games. He is
Hmm.
upcoming, but
Mhm.
I wouldn't substitute Salah for Ahmad, right? So so that's why your
Okay.
entire
Midfield.
front three is good.
Okay, fine.
But
Midfield.
Midfield.
but yeah, midfield तो अपना ही अच्छा है because Kobe Menu, you all know how good is
Okay.
he. And
Mhm.
then you have Casemiro, experience, 5-time Champions League winner. He
Okay.
doesn't have the legs, but he has the experience. He will
Okay.
contribute in set pieces, etc. His
Okay.
passing range. Backline is still a problem, right? You have Van Dijk, experienced campaigner.
Mhm.
Again, Trent Alexander-Arnold. You cannot
Mm.
replace
Konate.
these guys.
Hmm.
These are guys who have been there in this Liverpool team.
Mhm.
That's why I mentioned structure अच्छा है. That's why we constructed a good team. But
Mhm.
this entire team together is still coming together. If you see, Delight is new, Mazraoui is new. They don't
Mhm.
understand each other well. The
Mhm.
center back line. If I am covering this defender, I am this attacker, then the other have to maneuver himself and pick their own players.
Okay.
That understanding is still not there. That's why we considered those 2 goals.
Okay. Do you,
Brighton did not do anything from their, from that Hurzeler 31-year-old, sexy gameplay. They did not score anything from that. Let me
Hmm.
tell you that.
Hmm.
That is the game in a nutshell. We dominated them. Everyone
Mhm.
thought that Brighton ही जीतेगी भाई.
Hmm.
जीती वो, but they didn't dominate us. They were outplayed actually
So you
at
don't
their own
feel
home.
like this big match has come early, right? Like you're prepared, but
No,
everybody's new.
I wanted to face Liverpool at this exact time. A win against Brighton, I would have been super confident, but I'm still confident because I
Mhm.
saw the good elements in our game. So I'm confident
Okay,
because
that's
it's a
good.
home game. Because it's a home game.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
Yeah.
It's, I mean, Old Trafford has been difficult for us,
Yeah.
so I'm not going to be completely
So
cocky and
to
be like,
a
oh,
to a
this
to
goal,
a
this and that.
neutral, Mr. Maheshwari, what do you think? Onus is on whom
Yeah.
to win this match?
Nice question.
Onus is on who to win this match.
Hmm.
Okay. Here's what I realized when I look at both the teams. My thing is, जीतना तो यूनाइटेड चाहेगी, बट ओनस स्लॉट पे ही रहेगा. स्लॉट पे
ओ
इसलिए
भाई,
रहेगा because
नया
भाई,
बंदा है.
हाँ?
नया
ऐसे
बंदा
थोड़ी
है
थोड़ा
भाई.
होता है.
एक
नहीं,
दो
He
खून
will
तो
not
माफ
do
होगा
it
ना
again.
जीता है
उसको.
ना भाई.
एक दो
वो
खून
2
तो
मैच
माफ
जीता
होगा.
है,
हम्म.
है ना? वो 2 मैच जीता है. एंड वो 2 मैच जीता है, और यूनाइटेड जो है अभी ब्राइटन से ऐसे हारी है. तो यूनाइटेड अभी अगर ड्रॉ भी करती है, ठीक है, ही विल बी गिवन अ क्लीन चिट दे देंगे कि भाई देखो लास्ट टाइम से इस टाइम देखो ऐसे आए करके, है ना? मेरे को ऐसा लगता है
Standards,
Arne Slot will also get a pink slip without a doubt. But right now also I believe that Liverpool as a group have higher ambitions this season as compared to United this season.
Oh bhai, this is
higher
nice.
ambitions when I say in terms of finishing
where they
league
want to finish in the table, yeah.
yeah. You got to
Yeah.
understand United are coming from 8th,
Interesting.
all right? They're coming from 8th.
Nice
And-
point. Hmm.
So my thing is very simple. When you're coming from 8th, if you come in the top 4, well
नहीं,
done.
नहीं,
But
वो
United-
थोड़ा गलत assessment है.
पर
I
यूनाइटेड
will-
का
हाँ,
See,
correct. Amit जो
यूनाइटेड
बोलेगा,
छोटा
I will
क्लब
agree
नहीं है
with
ना,
that.
यूनाइटेड
correct.
छोटा क्लब नहीं है.
We are
United is
we are
not
very
an-
far along. We are very
मतलब
far along under
Basically,
Ten Hag. The
United
pressure is
will
on
not
Ten
be
Hag.
like कि लास्ट ईयर से बेटर करना है, वो उनका गोल नहीं है इस सीजन. आई डोंट बिलीव कि वो गोल होना भी चाहिए कि 8 आए तो इस बार 6 आके दिखाएंगे. तो दे विल स्टिल बी, दे वांट टू फिनिश इन मतलब टॉप पोजीशंस, राइट? फर्स्ट, सेकंड, थर्ड, फोर्थ उस पोजीशन.
Yeah, the only
And they-
reason Ten Hag wasn't probably sacked is because the structure got changed and the ownership thought that the manager is good, but he had a lot of issues last year because of injuries and he did not get the backing that he should have
Correct.
gotten. So
Correct.
now we'll give him everything. We'll give him backing so good that even if injuries happen, he will have players to play.
So
And then
we
you get
want,
a-
at least
Yeah.
we will never be in a position that we were last season. This cannot
Hmm.
happen again.
This
So
cannot
they're
happen again.
bringing in all the responsibility. The pressure is
Also-
also on Ten Hag
Hmm.
because he's been here.
Correct.
This is going to be his third year.
Hmm.
So yeah.
Hmm.